Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2003 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500 Mean Streak. This is one of the original power cruisers, 1500 cc's of VTwin power, liquid cooled, upside down forks, dual disc brakes in the front. Beautiful condition, only 3,900 miles on this one owner Vulcan Mean Streak. It's got a beautiful dark purple metallic paint scheme, passenger backrest, shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Come on by, make your big bore custom style cruiser dreams come true. Price to sell at just $49.99. No financing on this bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.